Armory Crypto Wallet Review, Watch Before Using. Welcome to this in-depth review of the Armory Crypto Wallet, a must-watch before you decide to use it. Armory is a Bitcoin-only wallet renowned for its advanced security features, making it a top choice for serious investors and those who prioritize security above all else. Designed with the experienced user in mind, Armory offers unparalleled control over your private keys, supporting cold storage and multi-signature transactions. This makes it an ideal solution for those managing substantial amounts of Bitcoin, or for individuals who want to keep their assets safe from potential online threats. One of Armory's standout features is its cold storage option, allowing users to store private keys offline, completely isolated from the internet. This reduces the risk of hacking or unauthorized access to near zero. Armory also supports multi-signature wallets, providing an additional layer of security by requiring multiple private keys to authorize a transaction. This feature is particularly useful for businesses or groups where multiple approvals are needed for transfers, adding a layer of governance to Bitcoin transactions. The wallet is open source, meaning its code is transparent and has been vetted by the community for security vulnerabilities. However, it's important to note that Armory's interface is designed for advanced users and can be overwhelming for beginners. The setup process is more complex than with other wallets, requiring a deep understanding of Bitcoin's underlying principles. If you're new to crypto, you might find the learning curve steep, but for those who value security and control, it's well worth the effort. In terms of performance, Armory is highly reliable with frequent updates, ensuring it remains compatible with the latest Bitcoin protocol upgrades. However, being a Bitcoin-only wallet, it lacks support for other cryptocurrencies, which may be a limitation for those who diversify their crypto portfolios. In summary, Armory is not for everyone. It's tailored for users who demand the highest level of security and control over their Bitcoin. If you're an advanced user or someone who holds a significant amount of Bitcoin, Armory is likely the best choice for safeguarding your assets. But if you're just starting out or looking for multi-currency support, you might want to consider a more user-friendly alternative.